Chris Jenkins, owner of K25 Baseball and Softball. Our Hit Factory program, 15 weeks for our serious baseball players, softball players. This is the place you want to be. If you're serious about your development and wanting to get better, check out Hit Factory. Hit Factory is our most inclusive program here. So Hit Factory is a 15-week program. We go 2 times a week for an hour where the kids come in and we have a strict developmental plan. The first day of Hit Factory, it looks like you're testing. We spend a lot of time engaging and coming up with a baseline of where each athlete is individually. From that baseline, as a staff, we're able to take that and say, okay, this is what each individual athlete needs per their strengths, per their weaknesses, right? And then we're able to kind of combo that in a way in this program with bringing energy. We get crazy, we play music. We wanted a very pumped up environment and create a very pumped up, exciting culture. So that's what it looks like. And we have a complete developmental plan that goes along this 15 weeks where you'll come out of here game ready.
We want them to feel challenged every time. So whatever they want to do to challenge themselves, we allow them to. So right now, Cam, Noah, Drew, Aiden, they're using swivel vision goggles. Those are hitting their eyesight, so they're seeing about this much. Forcing them to stay locked in on the ball, and it's just another constraint for them to work through. We want our players to be adaptable, we want to be adjustable, because that scales. We're training them for a higher level high school and college, not for youth baseball.
I think the biggest thing the kids get out of being in Hit Factory is they achieve a why, right? Why they're going about a certain process, why drills they use work for them. And then also like just the simple knowledge, like almost simplistically like, hey, why am I doing this drill? Like, what's this mean? We have the training and we have the staff and the tech here to justify and tell them why and what's going on.
What you do, you're doing better at, but coming forward instead of doing that, right? So load and then be able to come forward. Does that make sense? So that's why I want your focus to be over there for you. You're doing great, you're starting to get aggressive, but let's put it all together, please. Yes? Yes? Thank you very much.
Usually in Hit Factory, our results that we get by the end of Hit Factory, kids are swinging the bat harder, and it's I would say about 3 to 5 miles an hour harder, which is about 30 feet further the ball will go, depending on if you hit it flush. They're also swinging, they're hitting for more distance is usually the outcome of Hit Factory. So we're pulling some numbers at the end where we can show people like, hey, we've actually gotten better from being